Yo, what's good everyone on YouTube? It's your boy Scott Kicks. I'm back with video number 2. Now, here it is. I can't wait. I've been trying to get these shoes for a while since release, but they kept escaping. They don't have crazy resale. I'm not going to drag this on. I'm just going to jump right into the unboxing. Now, if you are looking for a pair of these, their resale did actually drop quite a bit. So you can get a pair on StockX right now for pretty much retail, which is pretty good. Oh, dude, I'm just gonna give you a bit of a glimpse to the box. Oh yeah. And from the box, you can already tell I have nothing to hide. This is a pair of the Jordan 1 High Pollens. Now, I do not like the color yellow, as you may know now, because I've mentioned in a few videos. But it's growing on me, but it's not really my comfort color. I always love the color red. I wear a lot of black, like navy. I have some gray here and there, but it was my first ever pair of yellow shoes, I would say. Actually, no, I have a pair of the New Love Jordan 1 mids from 2017 sitting in my closet. I got those on release day. But this is the first time I've seen a Jordan 1 box that's not your traditional black and red. They switched it up and went black and yellow because these shoes are black and yellow. And on the side it says Air Jordan 1, 1985. This was actually, I did not expect this restock to happen. It was on footlocker.ca. They didn't show up on the app, but when it went on footlocker.ca, they were sitting on there, and they only have select sizes left. They restocked actually 2 or 3 times now, full size, like men's sizes only. They went from size 8.5. They had size 9 and 9.5, 10.5, 11, 12, stuff like that. Now, my true size in Jordan 1s doesn't matter if it's a low, a mid, or a high. It's always a size 9. And finding a size 9 is a bit of a pain in the ass sometimes. It's a bit of a pain because nobody's ever willing to sell them. So I lucked out. I got these for retail. Retail was, I believe, $230 Canadian. I know Jordan ones have gotten expensive. I remember they used to be like one 160. Then they went up to like 215 afterwards. And yeah, so on the side it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Pollen White Black. See? Just right there. I honestly thought they were going to cancel my order because they've done that to me before where the payment went through and then they canceled my order and gave me my money back. These are just my order papers. And oh, dude, look at that. Now the camera's probably not gonna pick it up because I have my lights on right now. If I had studio lights, it would show up much better. But they give you 2 set of laces with them. Either you can do white laces or black laces. I'll probably do black because most of the shoe has black. I don't know, I was kind of confused with these because online they showed that they're yellow, but in person they look kind of like orange. Like they remind me of the Rookie of the Year Jordan 1 highs. If you remember those, comment down below. But yeah, like, but they come with yellow laces in them if you want to keep those. There's 3 laces in total. You got the factory yellow ones, got white and black as secondary. And then first off, the leather is actually pretty soft on these, which is nice because sometimes Jordan 1 leather is kind of blah. But first of all, quality is great. So I've heard some people talk shit about them, say that the quality is garbage, but everyone's got their own, opinions and whatnot. Ankle color is actually pretty buttery black leather. You got that Wings logo right there in black. Insoles in black. It says Nike Air in yellow. Outsoles matching yellow. Midsole is white. Um, Other than that, I don't have any complaints. Now, usually if they're patent leather, I have to go up half a size because I have the black metallic golds, and I got those in a 9, and those things were uncomfortable. They pinched, they were tight for a size 9. I think if I do get another pair of them anytime soon, I'm probably gonna have to go up half a size again, 9.5. And then this is the right shoe. Nothing special or different. I'm trying to up my Jordan 1 collection lately. And this will make a great addition. I already got the Royal Toes, I got the Hyper Royals, and now I got these. But other than that, there's not much else to it. But let me know what you guys think about these. If you already have a pair of these or plan on getting a pair of these. But much love. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Comment, like, subscribe down below. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. Peace. I'm in, I'm out. Y'all be easy. Love you.